angles, the first one we'll be looking at is complementary angles. Now, when the sum of angles adds up to 90 degrees, the angles are said to be complementary. Supplementary angles. When the sum of all the angles adds up to 180, the angles are said to be supplementary. Adjacent angles are those angles that are always placed next to each other in such a way that they share a common vertex and a common side, but they do not overlap each other. Two angles are adjacent when they have a common side and a common vertex. A common vertex, that is a common point, and they don't overlap. Now let's look at this angle, for example. Here we have complementary angles. However, these complementary angles are also adjacent. That's because they share a common vertex and a common arm, and it's complementary because the sum of these angles adds up to 90 degrees. Let's look at another example. Here we also have adjacent angles. Why? Because these angles share a common arm and a common vertex, a common point. However, this angle is also supplementary because the sum of the angles adds up to 180 degrees. Now, when two straight lines intersect at a point, vertically opposite angles are formed, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us say this angle measures 25 degrees or 75 degrees or 180 degrees or 150 degrees. This angle will also equal to the same thing.